Okay, guys, so here's the model for HWRFP, and it's gonna keep strengthening 968 millibars when it and 960 millibars when it is close to the Bahamas. And oh my god, that's a monster storm. And 955 is gonna make landfall at the main island of the Bahamas. Oh my god, that's terrifying. Oh my god. 954 when it gets to Miami, Florida, it's gonna make landfall. Yeah. But let's just take a look at Haman 1. So yeah. So this one shows another landfall in Florida, I think. Yeah, another landfall in Florida. Okay, guys, so here's the Haman model for Tropical Depression 13. So this one is showing it's gonna it's gonna strengthen near the Bahamas and make landfall. And this one, wow, 959. It's gonna make direct landfall in Florida, and it's gonna weaken. So yeah, a lot of models do show that it's gonna hit Florida as like a Category 3 hurricane, which is gonna be a terrifying experience for people in Florida. Let's take a look at the Navigant model. Okay, yeah, 986 millibars, yeah. Yeah, and here's the Tropical Depression TD14. 90 millibars. Okay, this time it's going south of Bahamas. This model shows it going south Bahamas. So it's gonna keep moving through the Bahamas and make landfall in Florida, Miami, Florida. Same model, almost like the same model. Yeah, make landfall in Florida, and yes, it's because of that high pressure it's because of the high pressure steering it to Florida. If you keep looking, and it's gonna make it like a northeast turn. Yeah, which is kind of interesting. Well, yeah, let's take a look at the satellite imagery. So the satellite imagery let's just take a look first at Tropical Depression 14. This satellite imagery is actually, the convection of this actually is like blowing up like crazy. Hold on, yeah, guys, it's loading. Alright, guys, so here's the satellite imagery for right now, and looks like it's actually a lot more organized than last time, and the convection here is actually really blowing up, and there's some really high cloud tops right there. The grayish and the pink, the white and the pink. Yeah, these are really high cloud tops. Wow. And they're also really cold cloud tops too. Well, yeah, but I do think this could be Laura first. Like, if you take a comparison of 13, this satellite imagery, it doesn't look that impressive at all. Hold on. So yeah, here's the satellite imagery right now. Doesn't look that impressive, like, but it is kind of a little more organized than last time. But yeah, the convections, there's not that much, there's much less convection than Tropical Depression 14, but this one has like there is some pinkish in that cloud top. So yeah, guys. So that's it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Sorry, like the Wi-Fi wasn't going so well. So yeah, I gotta make quite a, like I gotta quite make a few cuts in this video, cut clips. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. And these two tropical depression is likely gonna affect in the U.S. But yeah, and watch out for that third disturbance coming out the coast of Africa. That could be another threat to the U.S. too, but I don't know. But yeah, enjoy the video, guys, and I'll see you guys later. And smash like if you enjoyed the video. Let's give about 5 likes on this video, and subscribe if you're new. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.